Hi, my name is Greg Palya. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. So, are you a fan of Kobe or Shaq? Kobe. Browns or Steelers? Browns. Yankees, Red Sox? Neither. Everything you do, you can always compare two different things, and today, real quick, we're going to go over two roofing systems, silicone restoration membrane and spray polyurethane foam. So let's compare them real quick. So the first thing we're going to talk about is energy savings. So an SRM is pretty much is silicone over an existing roofing system. It does have that reflectivity because you might be turning a black roof into a white roof. So that's good with energy savings, but spray foam has the highest R value of any roofing system possible. Industry standards say that it'll pay for itself in 5 to 7 years, somewhere around there. So I'm gonna give the advantage to SPF. Next thing is cost. An SRM is $2 to $4 a square foot, and spray polyurethane foam is about $4 to $7 per square foot. So you can see the advantages with SRM. Now the next thing is maintenance and how you maintain these roofs. So with an SRM, you're kind of relying on the existing substrate, what's underneath there and what's been left there before. Spray polyurethane foam, if you have a knife, you can cut out, if you have a little hole with water in it, you can take a knife, cut it out, clean it, and spray some caulk in it, level it out, and you're good to go. So spray foam is definitely easier to maintain. And the last thing is overall. Kind of depends on what system fits your building, but spray polyurethane foam is the best roofing system out there. Can pay for itself, has good energy savings, easy to maintain, so I'm going to give the advantage to spray foam. Certainly if you want to learn more, in the description there's the URL of the complete blog post covering the same stuff. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a good day.